Hi guys, how are you? How is it going? It's Sylvia here and welcome to my Big Design Club review. Alright, so calm down, Sylvia. Now, as you can see, I am right inside of the members area of Big Design Club, and in this review, guys, I'll give you a walk through the product, okay? Then we'll check out the sales page, obviously, and we'll go through all of the upsells, and there are not many of them. Just 3 or 4, and they are pretty good, I would say. Alright, and also guys, let me right off the bat tell you about the amazing offers. I have 3 offers for those who are serious, and I do wish to emphasize that, serious about making real money online with affiliate marketing. Okay, as a business model, with affiliate marketing precisely. Okay, and those who want to learn how to generate traffic, how to do email marketing successfully, so all of the basics and beyond of affiliate marketing with a quality vendor who really helped me kickstart my affiliate marketing journey. So guys, I am talking from my own experience, and that's why I am wholeheartedly recommending these courses to anyone who again is serious about making real money online, because you will have to have a marathon mindset and not be naive to the fact that making money online is and all of that. You know what I mean, like one button, one click, and all of that garbage. Okay, so yeah, the link to this page will be right below my review. If you wish to check it out, you may as well do so. All right, now let's jump right on the sales page before we go through the product. So what it is, guys, is like a collection, like a library of super cool designs that you can use for any kind of projects for either yourself or your clients, because it does come with the agency rights, with the commercial license, so you can use it for your clients, but after that you have edited them, okay, because it will come with the editing software, like a Photoshop-like software, very cool one, I'll show you, and then you can extract them in all kinds of forms. So I'll be showing you everything what you can do here. And yeah, they say it's the most unique and powerful graphics creation platform you can get your hands on. Like the library, the collection is huge, and all sorts of graphics you can possibly think of. So yeah, it's, you can then use it for whatever you really want. So they also say create unlimited unique graphics using brand new powerful all-in-one graphics templates library. New massive cloud library of ultra pro graphic templates. They are really looking pro. That's for sure. And it comes with thousands of unique templates like flyers, quotes, stickers, book designs, 3D ebook, 3D software, 3D mockups, 3D boxes, and many more. Like really sky, or not even sky is the limit here. So you can select, what you do, you basically select, they say here, customize, so add it as to your own liking, as according to your own style, how you want it edited, change the details, everything. And then you export all inside the library using powerful integrated graphic editor, as I said, Photoshop-like. So what you are essentially getting here is thousands of professional graphic templates allowing you create all sorts of visuals and graphics. You can create graphics like warning signs, badges, flyers, quotes, stickers, book designs, ebook, 3D ebook, 3D software, 3D mockups, 3D boxes, and many more. You have inbuilt powerful Photoshop-like editor. I really do like the editor, allowing you to customize these templates in the library. You can create eye-catching and high-engagement graphics in seconds. You can save the templates in your own online storage or retrieve them whenever you want. And it is one-time payment, no recurring fees ever. Pay once and enjoy forever. And the front end is around $20 for now, guys. It just launched, okay. It launched yesterday on the 30th of November, and the launch is for 5 days. So on the 4th of December is gonna be the last day of the launch. Alright, so I will attach the link to this sales page below my review. Should you feel like you want to check it out, go through the sales page. There's no BS on the sales page. They pretty much say as it is. It's a very quality vendor. I like him. Nelson, I forgot his name. I'm sorry, I forgot his name. I'm just rubbish with names. I'm good with faces, but totally rubbish with names. Okay, so you see, these are the kinds of like alert warning signs, badges, but I'll be showing you everything inside of the members area. But here you have some examples of what you would be getting. They are looking beautiful, stunning, professional. So, if that's what you need, guys, I do believe it's the right product for the right person. And stickers and many more premium graphic templates, they say. Okay. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Even like on the sales page, which I always highly appreciate, they give you a sneak peek into the members area, so you have like this 1 minute demo, so that giving you a walk through the members area, through the product, and yeah, it's cool. So who could benefit from this product? Like surely online and offline marketers, bloggers, social marketers, offline printing, yeah. Video creator, publishers, courses creator, e-commerce owners, and many more, as they say. Okay, and again, here's like a description of what you would be getting, and they do say you will have full agency rights, so you can create graphics for clients at 100% profit. Okay, which is cool, and no recurring fees, as I already said. So the big design club for now, it's $20.70. So yeah, the price is slowly creeping up. Okay, the closer to the end of the launch, the more expensive most likely it will get. I mean, maybe by, I don't know, $1 or $2, something like that, but it's around $14 the front end for now. Okay, you will have some frequently asked questions. Check it out, guys. The link to it will be right below my review. And here we have the OTOs. How many OTOs do we have? So the front end, there is this big design club platinum upgrade for 47. Then we have flexible images club combo for 67, and powerful slide combo for 97. Super powerful PPT club. I'm not sure if that's an upsell. I have more information here, so let me just go back to the last one I wasn't sure about. So the Super Power PPT club selling for $17 monthly recurring, or $197 one-time payments. I mean, here you will have access to the largest and most updated PowerPoint templates library, massive library, and okay, I mean, a huge array of diverse templates. Your customers can create videos, sales pitch, political campaign, general presentations, and much more. So it's PowerPoint, using PowerPoint. Okay, and here was the upsell 1, 2, 3 as well. Okay, now I will not be going through all of the features which come with the upsells, guys. Now, if you think like the front end is for you, pick it up, and once you've bought the front end, they will show you, they will present you with the upsells, so check them out. If any of the upsells sounds good to you, just buy it. Alright, so here we go. Here's the members area, and let me quickly show you what you will find inside. So you have alerts, warning signs. So you see, it looks like this. It's all like clickable. Once I click on it, it takes me to this online editor. I'll show you a bit later. Now you have badges, you have banners, and you have plenty more. Okay, you have this number, and then you even go to, you see, number 15. So many more. Then you have banners for Facebook, for Twitter, book cover designs, boxes, business cards, buttons, it works really fast, as you can see. I'm clicking like from one to another. It's really like, you know, switching like this with the speed of light, so it's good. And then you have buttons, call to action, calendar, and then oh, I'm sorry, calendar, certificate, and then way more like, you know, like, okay, I mean, too much to go through really. Like heading design, gift cards, flyers, Facebook timeline cover, menu, logo templates, list design, like tables, text, stickers, stamp, quotes, let's check out the quotes. Okay. A goal is a dream with a deadline. I like it. Napoleon Hill. Napoleon Hill. Yeah, the one who wrote Think and Grow Rich, a good book. I did read it. It's really like a must for anyone who wants to sort of make it and succeed, you know, how to turn your visions into reality and all of that. Alright, well, we have the mock-ups, the YouTube thumbnails, Twitter cover. Okay, YouTube thumbnails, fun. Okay, cool, like, nice. Alright, and then let me just click on this. So edit online. You see, it takes you to this Photoshop-like editor. And everything is like customizable, editable. You have to just click on this. Okay, let me just take myself here. On this text, for example, and then I guess I'm not that good with Photoshop, but like, you know, you will have to play around. I think, where do you click first, here or maybe there for the type tool, and then okay, and then you see, like, you know, you can edit it like 10 top health tips. Obviously, you know, I would have to change the font and the size and everything, but you know, once you're happy with it, obviously this is not looking good, but once you're happy with it, okay, then you've customized everything to your own, according to your own liking. Then you go to File, and you can export this as PNG, JPEG, you know, and you have a few more options. I mean, you have plenty of options, to be honest, okay? So that's pretty much how it works. Obviously, I'm not, like, you know, I could show you how to do it, but I think it's pointless, really. Like, you know, you figure out how to use the editor. Most likely you're already familiar with a Photoshop-like editor. If not, it's like, you know, sort of trial and error. Yeah, you find a way around. Okay, guys, so that's pretty much it. That's your library. If that's for you, pick it up. The link will be right below my review. And guys, yeah, again, I'll send you to the courses if you're interested in making real money online, because they're absolutely fantastic. Yeah, I chat with the vendor really, like, often, because we have this like community group. So the front ends to all of these products are totally free, okay, on affiliate marketing, traffic generation, and email marketing. So these two, click these buttons, they'll take you to the sales pages, and then you don't need a credit card to purchase them, to get them. Just sign up with your email, and you'll see the value, you know, in each of the courses. I mean, amazing value, okay? He really did over deliver. I'm talking about the vendor. His name is Tim Michaels. Super knowledgeable guy, super cool, super helpful, and very, very transparent and honest. Straight to the point, no BS. I mean, great guy, okay? Great guy to learn from, to work with, and like, you know, a fun person as well. So yeah, but then there will be free upsells. Like I personally got all of them because I love them. So the first upsell was like done for you pages, which you will need if you want to like do affiliate marketing. Okay. I mean, you can make them you can do them yourself. Totally, you don't have to, you know, get the upsell, but it's gonna give you a leg up big time. And they're hosted on a platform called Netlify, which is free hosting, so cool stuff, you know. Then upsell number 2 is a community on Discord, like a support community. I mean, that's what I meant when I said That's the upsell I was talking about when I said that I chat with the vendor all the time. So, you know, on Discord, okay? So much, I mean, like a lot of like-minded people. We have fun, even philosophical discussions, believe it or not. We talk about health and then stuff like that. And then upsell number 3 is the so-called special reseller rights, because not only do you get 100% commission across the whole funnel, so the free upsells, right? But also all of the clients' data, which will allow you to grow your email list, which is amazing. Okay, that's what you want, because the money is in the list, as they say. Very, very important, because it's your asset. It's your, well, it's something you own, your list. And yeah, it's kind of like unheard of on Warrior Plus to get that, you know, all of the clients' data as an affiliate, because as a vendor, obviously you get it, but as an affiliate, very often, like this, it's very, very tricky to get hold of your buyers' email addresses. Okay. All right, I think I'll finish right now. Again, if that's for you, the Big Design Club, you can purchase it via my link. The link will be right below my review in the description box. And also, if you wish to pick up these courses for free, also the link to this page will be right in the description box below my review. All right, love you and leave you guys. Take care, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye-bye.